What's up YouTube, welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy FlyJV, your favorite black pilot on YouTube. Yep. Alright, today's video I'm going to be taking you along with me for a flight. I'm going to Gabon, Libreville, center of Africa. It'll be a 2-leg flight. We'll be stopping over quickly in Benin, in Cotonou. So it'll be 2 legs from here to Cotonou, then Cotonou to Libreville. So I'll take you along with me, and so you can see what it's like again, like my old vlogs, you know. So let's go quickly. The shuttle is coming to pick me up in about an hour and a half, if I'm not mistaken. An hour and 20 minutes actually, so let's get it done. Okay guys, I'm done taking my shower. Now it's time to go quickly prepare the flight, get dressed, and then prepare to leave. So pickup is now in 15 minutes. I'm gonna go prepare the flight quickly, look at everything I need to look at. I'll meet you guys in a second.
A few moments later.
Preparation is done. I managed to look at everything I need to look at. I looked at the NOTAMs. I realized that there's a bunch of en route aerodromes, alternates basically, that have some nav aids that aren't as good as others, so we'll have to think about that during the flight. I've looked at everything in terms of our destination aerodromes, from our departure aerodromes. I looked at the weather, I looked at everything. Everything seems to be fine. We might think about also fuel tankering for this flight, but we might not though, because zero fuel is pretty high, because price in terms of fuel is lower here than it is over there. So since it's 2 legs and we want to save money, what we usually do when we know that we have less, or that it costs less here than from the first destination, is we take as much fuel as possible here to do the whole 2 legs. But right now, because of, like I said, the zero fuel weight, which is basically dependent upon the passengers and the payload, like cargo, baggage and stuff like that, if it's too high, if it's too heavy, we might not have enough weight left to be able to add for the fuel to take as much as we want. So anyway, preparation is done. Let's get ready for pickup.
I'm feeling amazing, the bluntness is blazing, feeling courageous, yeah. All of this hating, too much to take in, y'all are just basic, I can't believe it, give me a reason to commit treason, ayy. Never the family, I've been going hard, it's only pre-season, ayy. Okay, all I gotta say is that I'ma be great. Being the top 5 ain't no debate. Everything you hop on it is late. Like the rest you gon' ride the wave.
Let's go.
On va faire une très longue finale sur les installations. Bien reçu. D'accord, faire un essai, on fera une très longue finale.
Ouais, c'est moi là. Ouais, je suis là, ça va. Guys, we're now in Libreville. I've made it to my room. We arrived here about 20 minutes late, but it was actually worse at the very beginning of the flight because we were supposed to leave at around 7:15. We left at like 7:55, so we had about 40 minutes of delay. But we managed to make up some time, so now the delay is just 20 minutes. So I think we managed pretty good. It wasn't really our fault. Cargo doors weren't closed. A lot of passengers were just like late. You know, it's just a lot of things out of our control, but everything was good overall. No problems, so here we are. Yeah, this is my room, little suite. I'll give you a quick tour of the room so you can see what we're working with. Got a little balcony here. Come outside, chill. Pretty relaxed. We got a pool outside over there on that side, which is nice as well. And you know, try to stay in shape, stay healthy. That's my uniform and stuff. So they got a TV here, got a movie playing, little living room area, sofa, table, and we got cups and kettle. You can brew some tea. Little AC, and they got this little compartment area. It's pretty cool with a fridge. Completely empty though. Fridge, and they got a microwave over here. So that's pretty nice, pretty handy in case you want to buy stuff and just heat it up. Got a little kitchen area here. You can cook on this. And yeah, got a bunch of stuff to clean up. Little kitchen area, you know. Got a bunch of teacups and glasses. And let's go into the room. So this is the bedroom. It's actually pretty cool, as you can see. So yeah, man, a lot of space, I mean, it's pretty cool, honestly, pretty comfortable. Got another TV. If you ever get tired of looking at a TV while sitting down, you can look at the TV while laying down. So it's an upgrade. Got a little bathroom over here, and bathtub, shower. You know what this is. Let's get it. Got a little bathrobe over here, so you already know I'm about to be jumping in that in a minute. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's like a little small apartment, you know. You got wardrobe, you can put in a bunch of stuff in here. I'll put my uniform and stuff in here in a second. Yeah, got a little water waiting for you. That's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty comfortable. Be staying here for a day, like tomorrow, the entire day, and then we'll be leaving early in the morning in 2 days. So, like I told you guys before, I think I'm just gonna undress and get myself into this nice bathrobe and just enjoy my night. Maybe work on a video or two, and I mean, editing wise. For you guys, of course, you know, bring the heat for my guys, and after that, just rest, maybe watch something on TV, and, you know, just take it easy. It was a long flight, so let's treat ourselves a little bit. Just chilling in my bathrobe, man. Just chilling in my bathrobe. It's 1 a.m. 1:15 right now. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out. YouTube. I didn't get much sleep. I'm gonna get up, go get some breakfast, because I'm hungry and the man needs to eat. And probably gonna come back and sleep some more. I don't know what that long bus was for, but that's it. Let's do it. sausage, beans, and some corn, man, and a bowl of cereal for now. I ordered an omelet, so I'll be eating that very, very soon. Yeah, man. Here we are. Let's get it. See you guys in a few hours. I had to force myself to wake up because if I sleep for too long, I'm not going to be able to fall asleep tonight, and it's not going to be good for my wake up early tomorrow because we wake up at 4 Zulu, 4 a.m., which is basically right inside the window of circadian low. The window of circadian low is from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. if you've watched my video that I made about sleep management, circadian rhythm, and flight time limitations. And basically, it means that we'll be very tired naturally because it's a period where your body temperature is very low, your diurnal temperature of your body, so cognitive abilities are decreased and performance is generally just not as good as it usually is. So yeah, you gotta get as much sleep as you can. So right now I'm awake. I've just ordered some room service and it should be here in a few minutes. More videos coming soon, obviously. This one is part of it. I'm making it right now. Alright guys, so here I got some tagliatelles with shrimp, with some cream and like cheese and stuff like that. So basically pasta, shrimp and stuff like that, very good. I got a side dish of fries and a little Coke, you know, keep the basics going.
Great radio.
this my time. Stack every dollar and every dime. Really just snapped on the beat like Muhammad Ali in his prime. How do I look? Ahead of my time. Blood in the beat and there's blood in the rhyme. Talk that talk, cause I really give it. My time to shine. Gotta say this, I'm feeling amazing. The brothers are blazing, feeling courageous, yeah. All of this hating, too much to take, and y'all are just basic. I can't believe it, give me a reason to be chasing, hey. Never the family, I've been going hard, it's open season, hey. Okay, now I'm locked on the sauce, using Face ID. I need the classic outrageous like AOD. The only man I trust in this world is G.O.D. Talking about hardships all that
100 above, 300. Minimum 200.
Everything ain't like it was last year. There's a couple of things that we don't do last year.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard, retard.
Bravo, get 600. Bravo, 600.
Here we go, guys. We're back home. As you can see from my eyes, I'm very, very tired. I didn't get much sleep, to be honest, last night, but it's okay. The flight went really well. Like I said, I did a raw data ILS. Flew the plane mostly manually until the top of climb during the second leg. Did another raw data ILS on arriving here, as you can have seen from the clip that was recorded by the mechanic. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This was FlyJV, and I'm out.